Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. My friends, let's talk about HYMC, Highcroft Mining. We have here, guys, we are at the edge to see here a squeeze for HYMC. This is not to hype you up, guys. Yeah, please watch this video until the end to understand the whole technical setup. But I'm talking about HYMC since a couple of months now, and we gained already here 90%, and we are really close here to see a technical breakout or even a short squeeze here for this stock. This is not financial advice, guys. I show you here all my price levels, everything. What I say here is based on the chart. Yeah, guys, I released already here a couple of videos because the technical setup is really good for HYMC. So if we zoom out, I give you a really quick recap here. Let's disable here everything to just see what the stock is doing. So we had here a massive short squeeze here back in the day in 2022, almost 1000%. So that means that HYMC is capable of, it was even more than 1000% capable of doing these kind of moves. Now you can see we just trading flat, but I zoom in and show you the details here. And when we zoom out, sorry, that was too quick, my friends. So when we zoom out, we can see that HYMC is in a horrible downtrend. Yeah, all-time high was $161. And when we zoom out, we can see that the all-time low is $1.63. Yeah, so this is of course horrible, but guys, and this is now here the reason why I already alarm here since a couple of weeks about this ticker. I know everybody wants to see AMC. AMC, guys, is also capable of supporting here a short squeeze because they have some convertible shares or some warrants here in HYMC, and they can execute them to buy shares, guys. So that buying pressure here by buying these shares could force a squeeze if HYMC is not diluting. This is very important. If HYMC dilutes, yeah, then that makes no sense. But if AMC, you know, execute these convertible shares, guys, we could even see here a trigger for a short squeeze. So let's now check the technical situation because we don't know if it happens and when this happens. So we have to focus only on the chart. So first we start with the indicators. So guys, here we are. So we can see that HYMC is now here back in the overbought area here on the RSI. And what I don't like, guys, yeah, this is a hidden bearish divergence, or even not a hidden bearish divergence, more or less a clear bearish divergence. What we can see that we have here something like an algo trend line here based on the RSI. The RSI is losing strength even if we find support here. We have a supportive line and a resistance line, and you can see that the price is building here higher highs, right? So we just built a new higher high here based on this move here, but the RSI is not doing the same, guys. The RSI is losing strength. That's why I'm saying not perfect. Yeah, it's a chart setup what I don't like, but the volume is good. We can see that the price is supported here, and that's why I will show you here the price levels here, which we need to know to see if HYMC can squeeze or not. Guys, if you don't know my channel, I have also a mission here. It's not only to educate you on trading. This is the main purpose, of course, but I also try to predict short squeeze stocks or short squeezes every week, guys. Yeah, I release here a lot of short squeeze stocks, which my personal finest selection of squeeze stocks, and we just started here on Monday with a 116% squeeze. So what I usually doing is I post these stocks here on Patreon. Then, of course, I let know my members the liquidity zones where the algos snap in, where the algos should create buying pressure, of course, the exit price levels and everything. This is here a quick screenshot. And you can see I released my hot stock video on Sunday. That was the yellow line here was Sunday, guys. And you can see here 1 day later, that is here the aftermarket. Then we had already here our 116% squeeze. Same happened last week. We had a lot of squeezes here, but I don't show you now all the squeezes. But I also have here some swing trade alerts on Patreon. Same here, guys. Yeah, here was the release date when I posted this ticker. And I mentioned that I expect that we come down in this blue box, and that should be the zone where the algos snap into force a squeeze, and we had the successful breakout here, 124% in 1 day, guys. That's why I also make this video here for HYMC. But if you also want to see my other short squeeze plays, then you can join our trading community here. The full package membership here on Patreon is my most popular membership, where every day new members joining in, guys. So we are growing here really quick and really strong. It's not only that you get access here to my short squeeze stocks, you also get access to my trading tutorials and the member FAQ section. So especially for people who have no idea how to start trading, how can I spot a short squeeze stock, what is the setup, how to trade this, guys, all these questions will be answered here. And this is of course a growing section since I get a lot of feedback here from my members, which I also built in here in this trading content and trading strategy. The link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader and of course available here in the video description. So HYMC, guys, plus 10%. Let's now check the chart. The squeeze trigger price level, you can see that here. This will never change, guys. This is my chart and the chart stays the same. We are here in a bullish setup. So when we just make a quick recap what happened here after this 1000% squeeze, we came down. And now, guys, when we just focused here on the price move from November 2023 until today, we are building here an uptrend, and this uptrend could lead into a bullish reversal, and that could lead into a short squeeze here for HYMC. The indicators are telling us already this, and as long as they don't dilute the stock, we have here a very, very nice chance to see a squeeze. What do I mean by uptrend? So let's check that here in detail. When you just focus here on this green trend channel pattern, this is where we are trading in. We have some algo price levels here in between which could force a squeeze, but if this pattern here plays out, guys, that means that HYMC should not come lower anymore than $2.98. $3.79 is the actual price. So if we're bouncing here in this uptrend channel pattern, we should keep it somewhere like this. You can see we have already here moments or situations where we leave this trend channel pattern, but the last point of support is $2.20. So this is what I call the dip. Every price below $2.20 is a dip, and what we need to see right now to confirm this more or less bullish reversal is a price above $4.66. So keep that in mind. As long as we trade below $4.66, we have not yet a confirmed bullish reversal. A confirmed bullish reversal needs a higher high, so that would be the perfect dream scenario. We're building already here higher lows. You can see that the price never came back here to $1.62, or in that case $1.87, or here was $1.94. So we're building higher lows, guys, and we want to see also higher highs that would confirm the uptrend for HYMC. And guess what, guys, there are some certain price levels here which cause a short squeeze or a squeeze, and you can see this is not to hype you up, guys. Yeah, this is just one of the price goals here in favor for an algo squeeze is $14, guys, and this is just the first squeeze price target. We have here of course a trend channel pattern which we have to break first. Yeah, we are here still in a macro downtrend, but in the micro pattern view or the perspective, we are here building a new uptrend, guys. Yeah, very interesting setup. I would not recommend to FOMO in, because if we want to see here a squeeze, we have to break $4.05. This is the first algo supply zone. Supply means that the algos are selling off. So that's why I would not buy in here. But if we squeeze over this price level and confirm the support, guys, that could be very, very interesting. And besides that, my personal buy orders here for HYMC are always here at $2.20 and lower. That's why I'm waiting now here for the breakout and for the retest. If we find support here at $2.98, if we don't come lower like this, then of course even $2.98 is a potential buy-in zone for HYMC. This is of course, guys, not financial advice. Many information, but yeah, it is what it is, guys. We have here a short squeeze situation, and to be honest, guys, yeah, I also release here AMC videos for my members and also on Gamestop, and the HYMC chart looks better than the AMC chart, guys. Here are some clear signals for a bullish reversal. AMC is not building any kind of support. Yeah, this is what I can tell you. And HYMC has, in my opinion, right now, let's say from the time frame, a higher chance to squeeze than AMC. I know people don't like to hear that, but it is what it is, guys. This is my opinion based on the chart, based on the technicals. I have no emotional attachments to HYMC or AMC, guys. Guys, I wish you a happy Eastern. If you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, this is here everything based on TradingView. What you see here, this is the chart program, what I use for all my videos and all my trades. If you want to learn trading, I can highly recommend that program. And I have here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. This special TradingView discount link is also available here in the video description. I hope that video was helpful. I hope you could learn something here. And if you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I wish you happy Easter, guys. Enjoy the days. Tomorrow the stock market is closed, so let's see where HYMC will close the price today. I wish you nothing but the best and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, frohe Ostern und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.